Good morning, students. I hope you are fit and fine. Yesterday we have discussed first two questions of exercise 3.1. Now we discuss next questions of exercise 3.1. Now we discuss third question of this exercise. What is third question? A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Wheel makes 360 revolutions. How many revolutions? 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radian does it turn in 1 second? In 1 second, we have to find the angle in radian made by the wheel in 1 second. Then solution, we have to find the angle made in 1 second by the wheel. Wheel angle means wheel ने 1 सेकंड में कितने रेडियन का एंगल बना है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. सॉल्यूशन, we know that pi radians is equal to 180 degree. This is the relationship between radian and degree. ये जो रिलेशन है बेटा, ये रेडियन और डिग्री में रिलेशन है. मीन्स पाई रेडियन इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. एंड इन 1 मिनट there are 60 seconds. In 60 seconds, revolutions are equal to 360. In 1 second, revolutions are 360 by 60. Cancel. There are 6 revolutions. There are 6 revolutions in 1 second. And we know that in one revolution, complete angle is 2 pi. Complete angle is 2 pi radian. This angle is 2 pi radian. In one revolution. Now, in one revolution, angle is 2 pi radian. Therefore, in 6 revolution, angle is 2 pi multiply 6 equal to 12 pi radian. Means ये जो कंप्लीट राउंड है बेटा, एक राउंड कंप्लीट राउंड, दिस एंगल इज 2 पाई रेडियन एंड revolutions are 6, then angle is 6 into 2 pi equal to 12 pi radian. This is question number 3. Now we discuss question number 4. Find the degree measure. In this question, we have to find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 cm by an arc of length 22 cm. Now, we solve question number 4. Question number 4 is solution of question number 4. This is a circle whose radius is 100 centimeter. Radius is 100 centimeter and length of arc. Let this the arc. This center is O A. This point is B. Arc length of the arc is 22 centimeter. We have made OB. We have to find this angle. We have to find this angle in degree. This angle is in degree. Now, solution. Pi is 22 by 7. We have to use pi is 22 by 2 by 7. Let this angle is theta. Let the angle at the center be theta. Therefore, we know that theta is equal to L by R. This is the formula to find the theta. Theta is the angle at the center of the circle. This is L by R. L is the length of arc, R is the radius. Put the values 22 by 100 और this angle is in radian. ये 22 by 100 बेटा आपका जो एंगल हो रेडियन में है, but we have to find this angle theta in degree. Now convert this radian in degree. We know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi, and 22 by 100 radian is equal to 180 by pi into 22 by 100. और बेटा ये क्या है डिग्री, कंप्लीट डिग्री में चेंज हुआ ये. नाउ पुट द वैल्यू पाई 180 multiply 22, वैल्यू पाई इज 22 by 7 ऊपर by 100. दिस इज द डिग्री. 22 से 22 कैंसिल आउट, ये कैंसिल, 2 5 जा 10, 2 9 जा 18, 9 7 जा 63 by 5 degree. Now change this improper fraction in mixed fraction. Divide 63 by 5. We get 12 is to 3 by 5 degree. Means 12 degree complete, but 3 by 5 is less than 1 degree. Convert 3 by 5 into minute. Now this can be written as 12 degree and 3 by 5 is less than 1 degree. Now convert this in a minute. Multiply by 60 or this is the minute. This becomes 12 degree, cancel out, 5, 12, 12 3 is 36 minute. This is the angle in a degree. This is question number 4. Now we discuss question number 5. What is question number 5? In a circle of diameter 40 centimeter, circle having diameter 40 centimeter, the length of the chord is 20 centimeter. Find the length of the minor arc of the chord. In this question, we have to find the length of the minor arc. Length of the minor arc. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 देखिए बेटा आप क्या क्वेश्चन है. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. दिस इज a circle whose diameter is 40. This diameter is 40. Therefore radius is 20 centimeter. Radius क्या है इसमें 20 centimeter because diameter is 40. Solution: diameter is equal to 40 centimeter. Therefore radius of the circle is 40 by 2 is equal to 20 centimeter. Now it is given that कि length of the chord is 20 centimeter. This is the chord. We draw here. This is the chord. This point is O, A, B. AB is the chord of length 20 centimeter. Meet B to O. This is also 20 centimeter. OB is also 20 centimeter because OB is the radius of the circle and O is also radius and radius are equal in length. And AB is the chord of length 20 centimeter. Now this triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle because all sides are equal. Now triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. This triangle is equilateral and we know that in equilateral triangle all angles are 60 degree. सभी एंगल क्या होते हैं बेटा 60 डिग्री के होते हैं. Now this angle is of 60 degree and we have to find the length of the arc AB. Length of the arc AB. अब यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला आप जानते हैं बेटा, वी नो दैट थीटा इज इक्वल टू एल बाय आर। थीटा इज 60 बट ये थीटा इज रेडियन। थीटा क्या है बेटा, यहाँ पे रेडियन में होता है, बट वी हैव टू, बट एयर एंगल इज इन डिग्री, एयर एंगल इज इन डिग्री। फर्स्ट convert this degree into radian. Now 60 degree is equal to pi by 3 radian. 60 डिग्री क्या है आपका, pi by 3 रेडियन में चेंज किया हमने, तो पुट वैल्यू हियर pi by 3 is equal to L by R. R is 20. R is 20. This implies cross multiply 3L is equal to 20 pi. This implies L is equal to 20 pi by 3. Put value of pi 22 by 7 multiply 3. Now simplify this, you get the value of the L, length of the R. Clear? This is the equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles are also equal. Therefore, this angle is 60 degree. And we know that this formula theta is equal to L by R. Theta is the angle this, but here theta is in radian. So first convert degree into radian. 60 degree equal to pi by 3 radian. So this you get the value of the length of the arc. Now question number 6. What is question number 6? Now we discuss question number 6. If in two circles arc of the same length subtend angle 60 degree and 75 degree at the center, find the ratio of their radii. Question number 6. These are the two circles. First circle, this second circle. Like radius of first circle is R1 and radius of second circle is R2. And arc of the same length subtend angle 60 degree and here subtend angle 75 degree. Let length of the arc is L. Let R1 and R2 be the radius of the two circles. And L be the length of the arc. Now we have to find the ratio of their radii. We have to find R1 ratio R2. हमें ये फाइंड आउट करना है कि इसकी रेडियाई का रेशियो ऑफ देयर रेडियाई. वी नो दैट वही फॉर्मूला थीटा इज इक्वल टू एल बाय आर. वी नो दैट थीटा इज इक्वल टू एल बाय आर. this angle 60 degree, this angle is 75 degree. Now apply this angle in first circle. In first circle 60 degree is equal to L by R1 and in second circle 75 degrees is L by R2. This implies R1 is L by 60 degree. इसको बेटा यहाँ पे रिप्लेस किया हमने and R2 is equal to L by 75 degree. Now ratio is R1 ratio R2 is equal to L by 60 degree ratio L by 75 degree. L shall cancel out. Ratio is 75 degree ratio 60. Cancel out. 5 ratio 4. This is your answer. So ratio of their radii is 5 ratio 4. Now I repeat again. There are two circles. Circle first, circle second. Let radius of first circle is R1 and radius of second circle is r2 and length of r is same in both the circles. This arc subtend angle 60 degree and this arc subtend 75 degree at the center. We have to find the ratio r1 ratio r2. In first circle, theta is equal to L by r. This is the formula. Theta is equal to L by r. Now theta is 60 degree, L by r1. In this circle, theta is 75 degree, L by r2. You can change this degree into radian. आप रेडियन में भी चेंज कर सकते हैं और डिग्री में भी रख सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमें बेटा r1 रेशो r2 फाइंड आउट करना है। जो रेशो रेडियन में आएगा वही रेशो आपका डिग्री में आएगा, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे चेंज नहीं किया इसको, नहीं तो मैं यहाँ पे इसको डिग्री को रेडियन में चेंज करता। तो ये हमने वैल्यू पुट की r1 r2। अब इसका रेशो फाइंड आउट किया, कैंसल, रेशो इज 5:4। Now we discuss question number 7. What is question number 7? I read the statement. Question number 7. Find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter and the tip. Describe an arc of angle 10 centimeter, in second part 15 centimeter and in third part 21 centimeter. Question number 7. This is a pendulum. पेंडुलम इस टाइप से बेटा ये ऐसे रोटेट करता है पेंडुलम. दिस इज द पेंडुलम एंड लेंथ ऑफ स्विंग इज लेंथ, दिस लेंथ इज 75 सेंटीमीटर. Length of the pendulum is 75 centimeter and length of arc is 10 centimeter. First part. In first part, length of arc is 10 centimeter and length of the spring is 75 centimeter. We have to find the angle this. Let this angle is theta. Length of spring solution. We have to find the value of theta. In this question, we have to find the value of theta in radian. Length of string is equal to 75 centimeter. Length of arc 10 centimeter. We know that theta is equal to L by r. Here theta is in the radian. Therefore theta is equal to L is 10, r is 75. This is and this cancel out 2 by 15. Theta is equal to L by r. L is 10, r is 75. 2 by 15 radian. This is in radian. Now we have to convert this radian into degree. We know that pi radian is equal to 180 degree. 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi. And 2 by 15 radian, 180 by pi into 2 by 15. 2 by 15. Now put the value of pi. And cancel out this. 15 on the 15, 15 on the 15, 15 to the 30. This is 24 by pi. Now put value of pi 22 by 7 and convert this angle in degree. I hope all of you convert this radian into degree. Now two parts, second question, seventh question, second part and third part you can solve easily. So students, all of you solve exercise 3.1 in your fair notebook, and I will give some extra questions related to exercise 3.1. All the extra questions you have to solve in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.